Hello, welcome to my channel ICT Vlog. Today we learn how to do octal to decimal and decimal to octal. For that, first we'll know what is octal number. Octal number has 8 numbers or symbols. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But remember, not 8, only up to 7, 0 to 7. So the maximum value of the digit in the octal number is 7. The octal method is based on 8. The octal method is based on 8. So dear sir, let's start how to do decimal to octal. Our decimal number is 175. Now we will convert that decimal number to octal. Then we have to divide that decimal number by 8. If we do that, we'll get 21st as quotient and 7 as remainder. Again, we'll divide quotient 21 by 8. Then we'll get 2 as quotient and 5 as remainder. Again, we will divide 2 by 8. But it's not possible because 8 is less than 8, because 2 is less than 8. So what we will do, since 2 is less than 8, so it can't divide, so there will be no quotient. The 2 will be remainder. So our answer is 257. Now we can write decimal number 175 equal to octal number 257. Now we will do octal to decimal. But how? Here we have 257 as octal number. We imagine 0, 1, 2 above that octal number. We have to remember that we must write that 0, 1, 2 by a pencil. After our math, we'll erase that by rubber. Now we know that will be 2 into 8 to the power 2 plus 5 into 8 to the power 1 plus 0 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0. Now 2 into 8 square equal to 64. 5 into 8 to the power 1 equal to 8 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 equal to 1. Now 4 into 2 equal to 128. 5 into 8 equal to 40. 7 into 1 equal to 7. Now our answer is 175. Okay, next one. Here is our decimal number is 616. We'll convert it octal number. For that we have to divide that 616 by 8. Then we'll get 75 as quotient and 0 as remainder. Again we'll divide that 77 by 8. Then the quotient is 9, remainder is 5. Again that 9 will divide by 8. So we'll get the quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Similarly, as before math, we'll divide that 1 by 8. But that 1 is less than 8. So there is no quotient. That 1 will be remainder. 77, 9, 1, 0 is quotient and remainder is 0, 5, 1, 1. So our answer will be 1, 1, 5, 0. Decimal number 616 equal to octal number 1150. Here 1150 is octal number. We will convert that octal number to decimal. Again we'll write that bottom number 0, 1, 2, 3 by pencil, because after finish that math we have to erase that eraser when we'll write it khatha or notebook. So 1 into 8 to the power 3 plus 1 into 8 square plus 5 into 8 to the power 1 plus 0 into 8 to the power 0. we know that 8 to the power 3 equal to 512 or 512. 8 square equal to 64. 8 to the power 1 equal to 8. 8 to the power 0 equal to 1. So 5, 12, 64, 40 and 0. Our answer is 616 or 616. Here we have fractional and non-fractional number. 640 is fraction number and 206 is non-fraction number or integer. Now what we will do, let's see. For fraction number, we'll write top of that number -1, -2, -3, and non-fractional number 0, 1, 2. 2 into 8 to the power 2 plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 6 into 8 to the power 0 plus 6 into 8 to the power -1 plus 4 into 8 to the power -2 plus 0 into 8 to the power -3. Some of my students did wrong things, that point right there. But sir, please remember that point should not write here. Only will write that plus sign. 2 into 8 square equal to 64 plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 equal to 8 plus 6 into 8 to the power 0 equal to 1 plus 6. Here since the power is -1, so it will go down. So 6 into 1 by 8 to the power 1. Here also the power is minus, so it will go down. So 4 into 1 by 8 square plus 0 into 1 by 8 to the power 3. Now 64 into 2 equal to 128, 0 into 8 equal to 0, 6 into 1 equal to 6 plus 6 by 8 to the power 1 plus 4 by 8 square plus 0. Now 134, 6 by 8 equal to 0.75 and 4 by 8 square or 4 by 64 equal to 0.0625. So our answer is 134.8125. Please sir, do yourself the math and pause the video. Okay, I think you have finished your math. Let's see. Here our decimal number is 1504. We'll divide that number by 8. Then we'll get 188 as quotient and 0 is remainder. And 188 divided by 8 will get 23 as quotient and 4 as remainder. 23 divided by 8, quotient 2 and remainder 7. Again that quotient 2 will divide by 8, but it's not possible, so no remainder, so no quotient, only 2 will be remainder. So our answer is 1504 is decimal number and 2 equal to 2740 is octal. As before, so 2740 octal number, will write in the top 0, 1, 2, 3. Again we have to remember that 0, 1, 2, 3 is our imaginary number. We have to write that number by pencil, and after finish our math we must erase that number by eraser. Now 2 into 8 to the power 3 plus 7 into 8 square plus 4 into 8 to the power 1 plus 0 into 8 to the power 0. Now 2 into 8 to the power 3 equal to 512 or 512 plus 7 into 8 square equal to 64 plus 4 into 8 plus 0 into 1, since 8 to the power 0 equal to 1. Now 512 into 2 equal to 1024 plus 64 into 7 equal to 448 plus 4 into 8 equal to 32 plus 0 into 1 equal to 0. Now our answer is 1507. If the decimal number is fraction, then how will convert it octal? Okay, no problem. Now we will do that. We will multiply that decimal number by 8 to convert that decimal number to octal number. Now when we multiply 0.064453125 into 8, we'll get 515625 as fraction and integer is 0. Again we'll multiply that number by 8, then we'll get 4 as integer and the fraction is 0.125. Again we'll multiply that 0.125 by 8. You will get 1 as integer and 0.0 as fraction or no fraction. So our answer will be 041, 0.041. Okay, next one. Now our octal number is 0.041. We will convert that octal number to decimal. We will write top of that number -1, -2, -3. So 0 into 8 to the power -1 plus 4 into 8 to the power -2 plus 1 into 8 to the power -3. So 0 into 1 by 8 plus 4 into 1 by 8 square, 1 into 1 by 8 to the power 3. 0 into 1 by 8 equal to 0, 4 by 8 square plus 1 by 8 to the power 3 plus 0, 4 by 64 equal to 0.0625 plus 1 by 52 equal to 0.00195312. So we have to add that two numbers. Now we'll get 0.064453125. Thanks all for watching my video. Be well always.